हाय गाइस। स्टीवन प्रेसफील्ड एक बहुत अच्छी बात कहते हैं कि प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन जो होता है वो हमारे एक इनर बैटल है जो हम हर दिन उससे फाइट करते हैं। उन्होंने बोला कि ये जो बैटल है उसका जो इनेमी होता है वो रेजिस्टेंस होता है। उन्होंने बताया कि रेजिस्टेंस जो होता है वो ऑलवेज फुल ऑफ सिट होता है और इट इज़ ऑलवेज लाइंग होता है। He says that resistance is always lying and full of it. Just for example, we always do same thing that either we skip our gym, either we do hit the snooze button, or or delay our work so that we can do it tomorrow. But these are the examples where we see the procrastination, and we always ready plan for the we always have a excuse to say that this I have done this work because of that, I have not done this work because of that reason. But I want to say who is responsible for that. So I think we ourselves are responsible for that, and we have to mind it that this is the reason we always delay our work. And if you see what is the consequence of the procrastination, we always want to escape from our work. How? Just take if you want to grow a business or your career, let's take a business. And if you want to take a grow your business, you first have to create what you say you first have to manage the things. And if nobody is coming and hand, if you want clients, no one is coming and hand over it, you have to hustle. You have to do if you want to grow, you have to do content marketing or either one to one sale or all the things that will help in growing your business. After that, if you ask me what is the reason, and I think this is a core of procrastination, where we everybody knows that कि अगर आपको बिजनेस खड़ा करना है तो ऐसे ऐसे चीज़ें करनी पड़ेगी, लेकिन ड्यू टू प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन हम हमेशा इस चीज़ को डिलेट करते हैं और ऐसा कर नहीं पाते हैं। थैंक यू।